Ever wondered if you're missing out on the best kitchen gadgets that could save you time and effort? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the best gadgets for your kitchen that can transform your cooking game. From high-tech coffee grinders to versatile slicers, these tools are designed to make your culinary adventures smoother and more enjoyable. Stick around as we count down our top 5 picks, starting with some surprising game changers you won't want to miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community for more exciting kitchen tips and gadget reviews. Number 5. Breville Smart Grinder Pro View on Amazon, $200. This high-tech Breville coffee grinder is perfect for the serious coffee enthusiast. It has stainless steel conical burrs to minimize heat and preserve the bean's essential oils. Plus, its electronic timer lets you tweak the grind time in 0.2 second increments. With 60 grind settings, you can go from super fine to super coarse and everything in between. It includes 2 portafilter cradles for direct grinding, a ground coffee container with a lid, and a cleaning brush. In our tests, we found it consistently delivered excellent results no matter the grind. Despite its many features and precise settings, it's surprisingly user-friendly. The finest grounds were powdery, while the coarsest were evenly sized without any large chunks. Number 4. Progressive International Prepworks Adjusta Slice Mandolin View on Amazon, $25. A mandolin is a super useful gadget for slicing, whether you're making potato gratin, homemade chips, or french fries, but don't stop there. You can use it for all kinds of fruits and veggies too. This budget-friendly handheld model offers 3 thickness settings and 2 slicing styles, straight and julienne. It also features a non-skid base for stability on your counter, or you can set it over a bowl. We loved its sharpness and effectiveness. It's lightweight and a breeze to clean, slicing through even the toughest produce without any hassle. Number 3. Dream Farm Vibo View on Amazon. At some point, we all need a strainer, whether it's for draining pasta or fishing bones out of soup. This flexible silicone strainer does that and way more. Its shape fits perfectly inside an Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, doubling as a steamer basket. You can also use it on the stove to boil pasta. Just lift it to drain, or steam veggies, fish, or eggs in your favorite pot. The handles are a breeze to use, folding down neatly when you need to fit the strainer into a pot. Made from silicone, it can handle heat up to 260 degrees Celsius, 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and is dishwasher safe. Reviewers rave about its versatility, although some mention that the bottom mesh needs a good scrub now and then. Number 2. Oxo Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer View on Amazon, $10. Opening avocados can be a hassle, especially if you're not a pro with a knife. If you're always grabbing this healthy fruit, getting an avocado slicer could be a game changer. It's safer and easier thanks to its plastic cutting edge. This nifty tool doesn't just slice open avocados, it also helps you remove the pit and slice the avocado right out of its shell. Reviewers love how user-friendly and sharp, yet safe it is. Even kids can join in on making guacamole with this in the kitchen. During our tests, we were impressed by its slip-proof design. The small blades grip the pit from 3 angles, making it super secure and easy to control. Number 1. Instant Pot Duo Pressure Cooker View on Amazon, $100. The Instant Pot has undeniably taken over American kitchens. Sure, electric pressure cookers were around before, but the Instant Pot skyrocketed in popularity, becoming as common as slow cookers once were. Take the 6-quart Duo 60, for example. This model is a favorite, boasting 7 cooking modes: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, sauté browning, yogurt maker, steamer, and warmer. Plus, it has 14 preset cooking programs that make whipping up a homemade dinner on a hectic night a breeze. During our tests, we were impressed by its yogurt and slow cooker functions. Making yogurt was a cinch. We didn't need to hit sauté to get the milk to the right temperature. And when it came to slow cooking, it consistently delivered tender beans and meat in just 4 hours on high. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below with your favorite kitchen gadget, and subscribe for more helpful content. See you next time.